Here's Matt.
All right, Ann, thanks. 7 years after the massacre at Columbine High School, we're getting another glimpse into the troubled minds of the two murderers, Dylan Klebold and Eric Harris. Hundreds of pages of chilling documents just released by the Sheriff's Office. NBC's Jennifer London had a look.
The date on the calendar is April 14th, 1999, less than a week before the Columbine massacre. A handwritten scribble with a haunting to-do list. Get gas cans, get propane, and fill my clips. A time reference, 11:10, noted on the same page is also chilling. It's the exact time Eric Harris and Dylan Klebold would begin shooting 6 days later. When the Columbine massacre was over, 12 classmates and 1 teacher were dead. The calendar, along with more than 900 pages of evidence seized from the homes of Klebold and Harris, were made public by the Jefferson County Sheriff's Department.
I felt that the written documents would hopefully provide some insight as to the emotional state, the things that Harris and Klebold were going through.
Among the documents released, hate-filled diary entries. One reads, "Kill mankind." A list of what's left to do, including prepare explosives, and a sketch of a sawed-off shotgun. The two killers also made videotapes, which the sheriff says could serve as an instructional guide to would-be killers. And that's why he didn't release those tapes.
This is how you do it, kind of a step-by-step blueprint of how you do a mass murder. That's what came through in the theme of those tapes.
Brian Rohrbaugh's son Daniel was killed at Columbine. For 7 years, he's fought to have Harris and Klebold's written documents made public.
It sheds a lot of light on what led up to Columbine, what was going on inside those homes, what people knew, and by learning this, maybe we can stop another school shooting.
In many ways, these new documents are another chapter of a story we've known the ending to for 7 years. And while we now have more insight into the dark and troubled minds of Harris and Klebold, no one piece of evidence tells us why they went on their deadly rampage. For today, Jennifer London, NBC News, Los Angeles.
It's now 7:18. Once again, here's Ann.